Well, here is the update video I've been promising everybody. I went ahead and put the outer jacket on the water tank, as you can see here. Now the fire, it used to come out the front right there, goes around this whole thing, comes out this over here, and exhaust up here. I also added a blower motor, which is not on at the moment. But as you can see here, it runs really good on its own. And by adding the outer jacket, it increased my temperature by about 5 degrees of the water. Turn on the blower motor, and you can see it really changes the whole dynamic of the machine. And now I also have a speed control, so I can adjust how much air I am forcing through the system. Let you look down the flame tube, as you can see here, if I can get a shot of it. This is getting pulled into the heater. You can see it's baking the paint off the outside. It's so hot. Comes out here. This is the venturi that feeds the exhaust. That's how the blower works. That way I don't have to mess with any other stuff. One more shot of the burner. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down. Don't need it so high. I started my pool about 2 hours ago, and it's already come up over 8 degrees. And my pineapples, where I can't get to them, I won't be able to tell you the temperature exactly. I checked it about 20 minutes ago and it was over 90. That's the one jet that pumps into my pool hot water. So there you go. There's my update video. It uses a few more pellets an hour than it used to, but not by much. It's probably an extra 20%. I use cheap pellets from Lowe's at the moment. Thanks for watching.